Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can set a custom notification sound on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. So as you may know, if we go to the settings and then choose sounds and vibration, then over here, if we go to notification sound, you will see that we cannot really change our, or we cannot actually add our custom notification sound. We have some preset sounds that we can use, but we cannot add our own. So for this, to make it work, we need to actually use a third-party app. So we can go to the Play Store and then you can search for Zedge app, which looks like this. We can install it for free from Play Store, and this app will allow us to download and use a custom sounds as notification sounds. So once you install it, you want to open it. And at first you need to accept and continue terms of services, and then we have to accept this. You don't have to get notifications, and if you see this, press the cross in the top right corner over here. Now we can select notification sounds, and over here you can find some sounds that you can set as notifications. You can also use the search by pressing this icon over here in the top right corner, and you can search for something more specific if you wish to have. We also can switch to categories and so on and so forth. So let's say I want to use this duck sound. I can tap on the name. Let's close this. And once we open the notification sound, we can of course still listen to it. And if you want to use it, you want to press this button in the middle at the bottom of the screen, this download button, and then choose set notification. We need to allow permission. This should happen only just once. Then let's go back. Let's close this. And over here we can see that the notification has been set. So let's actually check if that's true. Let's go back to the settings, sounds and vibration. And over here you can see that we have duck. And if I increase the volume, we can hear the preview. So this is how we can set a custom notification sound on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!